Hello, who wants to cook? It's Lady Pam here, and you are so welcome. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. And because of today, I made red velvet waffles and they taste so great. Please try this recipe out. You will love it. You would really love it. Thank you so much. Now let's get into the video. First of all, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to half a cup of milk. Now we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Now we're going to sift the dry ingredients to remove the clumps and also to erase the ingredients. Now set it aside. Now we add half teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg. Trust me, add nutmeg, it tastes even better. So now we're just going to combine the dry ingredients and then we're going to set it aside. Now to our half cup of milk, we're going to add 1 whisked egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 4 drops of red food coloring. So we're just going to whisk it for a while. Now we're going to combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So we do it bit by bit. So you pour some of the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and then you whisk it. And then you pour the rest of the wet ingredients and then whisk, combine. I'm going to use a spatula to make it even faster for me to be able to whisk it. Yeah, so we're just combining the batter. You don't really have to combine for too long so that you don't overmix your batter. Now I'm going to clean around the bowl so that you can have a look at my red velvet waffle batter. Yay! So here you are. It looks so great, right? Now let's get into making of our waffles. So we're going to use a waffle maker. You want to oil the waffle maker so that it will not stick. Yeah, so you're just going to put oil around it. Now we're going to take about half spoon. I mean, you can just fetch it till it's almost full, at least 3/4 full. Yeah. Wow, look at the color. Look at the color. Yeah. So you're just going to cover it. So it takes about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you just check it. If you see that it's not really complete, then you just add some more butter to the places that needs to be filled. And then you cover it. If the green light is on, then it means it's ready. It's ready, honey. It's ready. But I just want it to stay for a little while. So, I mean, yeah. So, our waffles are ready. Look at all this. So, I just added condensed milk to it for it to even taste even better. Oh, yeah. Look at all this goodness. Anyway, you can use honey if you like, but it tastes so great. My goodness. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's get to food for our soul. Today's verse reminds us of God's love for us, that even though we're sinners, He sent His only begotten Son to die for us. How much more as people, when our friends, our families do something to hurt us, may we just let it go, because God loves us so much. And if God has extended His love to us, then we also have to extend our love to our friends, our families, our neighbors. and even those who hate us. So as today is Valentine's Day, I pray that we will always continue to spread love, continue to show love, continue to walk in love, continue to be love. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.